Hello everyone, we're the exec team for 2021 to 22.
The exec team is made up of 2 head prefects for the year and 4 deputies. I'm Imara and I'm one of your head prefects this year, and my house is McDonald.
I'm Ellon and I'm also one of your head prefects. My house is Keith.
I'm Owen and I'm one of the deputy head prefects. My house is Cheen.
I'm Fergus and I'm also one of your deputy head prefects, and my house is Forbes.
I'm Kobe and I'm also deputy head prefect. My house is Sinclair.
I'm Jenna and I'm also deputy head prefect. My house is McDonald.
The exec team has a big role within the school.
We are the link between pupils and teachers, but also between the school and the community.
As part of the link within the community, we need to make sure that we all behave well outside school as well as inside school.
In the community, we should uphold the values we have in school, the main one being respect.
Our main goal is to hear the pupil voice and try to make the school the best place it can be.
We try to make the school a more fun and interesting place by planning dress down days, Christmas events and more.
We are also responsible for prefects and making sure they help the school run smoothly.
On prefects, we want to say a big thank you to all our current prefects for the job they have done over the last few weeks.
However, we are still short on prefects and we need more to help the school run smoothly. If you want to apply and you're in S5 or S6, please join the Google Classroom using the code which is on the screen.
As a prefect, you get a high-vis vest, free lunch if you prefect on the first half, and a badge.
It is also a great way to give something back to Ellon Academy.
We have chosen the quote of the week for this week. "Keep it real," said famously by Alistair Leslie Graham. Street name Ali G.
Be sure to follow our Instagram to keep up to date with all the behind the scenes content for the exec team.
Thank you for watching. Feel free to approach us in the corridors and say hi or ask any questions.